हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज का विषय है नाउन क्लास का प्रयोग करके कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनाना पार्ट 2। पार्ट 1 का अध्ययन हमने पहले वीडियो में किया था। शी विल गेट गुड मार्क्स, इट इज सर्टेन। दैट शी विल गेट गुड मार्क्स इज सर्टेन, और इट इज सर्टेन दैट शी विल गेट गुड मार्क्स। दूसरा उदाहरण है गॉड इज ओमनी प्रेजेंट, ऑल रिलीजन्स टीच इट। All religions teach that God is omnipresent. The two students quarreled. I do not know the reason. Complex sentence इस प्रकार बनेगा, I do not know why the two students quarreled. You are a lawyer. This is known to all. That you are a lawyer is known to all. अथवा it is known to all that you are a lawyer. He is a knave. This is known to all. Complex sentence that he is a knave is known to all. We must love the poor. Gandhi ji taught us so. Complex sentence. Gandhi ji taught us that we must love the poor. I shall be back on Sunday. I expect this. Complex sentence. I expect that I shall be back on Sunday. He is going to Kanpur. Everybody knows it. Complex sentence. Everybody knows that he is going to Kanpur. अगला वाक्य है Someone stole my watch. I do not know him. Complex sentence. I do not know who stole my watch. Next sentence है He was innocent. This was his statement. It was wrong. Complex sentence. His statement that he was innocent was wrong. Next sentence. Where did he go? Nobody knows it. इन दोनों वाक्यों को कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस इस प्रकार बनाते हैं Nobody knows where he went. He is angry with me. He will not help me. I know this. तीनों वाक्यों को कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में इस प्रकार बनाया जाता है I know that he will not help me because he is angry with me. You have acted wrongly. I believed this so. Complex sentence. I believed that you have acted wrongly. Shyam has passed. It is correct. Complex sentence. It is correct that Shyam has passed. You say so. It is not correct. Complex sentence. It is not correct what you say. Next sentence. He will not pass this year. It is certain. Complex sentence इस प्रकार बनाते हैं It is certain that he will not pass this year. He is dead. This news is not true. Complex sentence. The news that he is dead is not true. अगला वाक्य है He will pass in the first division. Everybody hopes so. Complex sentence. Everybody hopes that he will pass in the first division. You should remember, honesty is the best policy. इन दोनों वाक्यों को कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस इस प्रकार बनाया गया है You should remember that honesty is the best policy. What are you doing here? I am eager to know. Complex sentence. I am eager to know what you are doing here. अगला वाक्य है He won't be successful. It is certain. Complex sentence. It is certain that he won't be successful. अथवा that he won't be successful is certain. The earth moves around the sun. My teacher told me. Complex sentence. My teacher told me that the earth moves around the sun. He is very sincere. Nobody doubts it. Complex sentence. Nobody doubts that he is very sincere. अगला वाक्य है He is very honest. I do not doubt it. कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस इस प्रकार बनाते हैं, I do not doubt that he is very honest. Mr. Singh said something, I do not agree to it. कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, I do not agree to what Mr. Singh said. अगला वाक्य है, Your father will soon recover, we hope so. कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस इस प्रकार बनाते हैं, We hope that your father will soon recover. अगला वाक्य है, रमेश एंड मुकेश quarreled. I do not know the reason. कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, I do not know why Ramesh and Mukesh quarreled. He will succeed, I hope. कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, I hope that he will succeed. He is wrong, I am sure. कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस इस प्रकार बनाते हैं, I am sure that he is wrong. Our cricket team won the match. This news pleased everyone. Complex sentence. The news that our cricket team won the match pleased everyone. He says something. We cannot rely on it. Complex sentence. We cannot rely on what he says. The game was lost. It was the result of his carelessness. Complex sentence इस प्रकार बनाते हैं, The result of his carelessness was that the game was lost. We have been deceived. That is the truth. Complex sentence, The truth is that we have been deceived. अगला वाक्य है, He is a great orator. This fact cannot be denied. कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस इस प्रकार बनाया गया है, द फैक्ट दैट ही इज अ ग्रेट ओरेटर कैन नॉट बी डिनाइड. समवन हैज बीन मेकिंग अ ग्रेट नॉइज. आई शुड लाइक टू नो द पर्सन. कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, आई शुड लाइक टू नो द पर्सन हु हैज बीन मेकिंग अ ग्रेट नॉइज. आवर फ्रेंड विल सून रिकवर हिज हेल्थ. देयर इज नो डाउट ऑफ दिस. Complex sentence, there is no doubt that our friend will soon recover his health. The clouds would disperse. That was our hope. Our hope was cheering. Complex sentence, our hope that the clouds would disperse was cheering. इस पेज पर 1 से लेकर 5 तक होमवर्क दिया गया है, जो नाउन क्लास का प्रयोग करके कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनाना है. दूसरे पेज पर भी क्रम संख्या 6 से 10 तक उदाहरण दिया गया है, जिसे नाउन क्लास का प्रयोग करके कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बनाना है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल नील कमल पटेल. थैंक यू.